So here you can see that I have a blog section right here with a certain post. So let's say if I want to go ahead and then create my own blog post right here, I can simply go to manage blog post right here, and then the blog post opens up, and then around over here on the left hand side you can go to blog post and then go around on to write new blog. Once you do that, the editor for the blog actually pops up, so you can go ahead and add in a title. Let's say for example I'm going to go around and say my sample blog post right here, just like this. I can add in a subtitle. For example, I can go around and say learning every day is very beneficial. Let's say for example right here. So I can go ahead and start writing here. For example, I'm simply going to say this is a sample paragraph right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and add that in. Let me just go ahead and copy and paste this, and around over here as I select it, you can see that you have an option to go ahead and then add in links to it and then change around the text to heading and so forth right here. Let me just go around over here. You can see that I can go ahead and change this to a quote right here as I want as well. Basically format it out as per how I want. I can left align it, I can center align it, I can justify it right here, and I can even go ahead and change out the color as you wish right here, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and make a blog post. And if you want to go ahead and publish it, you can simply go ahead and click on publish, or you can preview it right here to actually see how the blog post would actually look. So it would look like this. So let's say it's fine. So you can go ahead and publish it. So you can publish now or even schedule it out for later and select a date and time as you wish. But let me just go ahead and publish it now and click on publish now. So once I do that, you can see that the blog post has been published right here, just like this. And you get a link right here, just like this as well. And then you can see that since the website is actually a preview mode right here, you can see that I haven't published the website. I don't actually see it. But if I were to actually go ahead and then close this, so let's just go around over here back to site design right here, just like this, you can actually see the sample blog post. And if I were to go ahead and preview out the site now, then you will be able to see the blog post that I made right here as well. So you can see that this is the blog post that I have right here, and if I were to click on read more right here, then it will actually open up, but I haven't published, so I'm not seeing the full blog post right here. So that is simply how you can go ahead and create out your blog posts as you wish inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.